Okay, in the 3D view, we are going now to place a smaller roof in this part over here. This time I need to go to the roof level view. And we are going to insert another roof by footprint. Like before, we will use pick walls and keep an overhang of 300 mm. Then click first in those two walls. And then we will not add a slope for the front edge. So let's remove the tick here and click on the wall. Next, with the line tool, I'm going to connect this point with the line on the left. And finally, I can trim to corner to remove this part which is not needed. Let's accept the changes. And now, would you like to attach the highlighted walls to the roof? Let's attach, and due to my answer, you can see that the wall at the right is now attached to the roof. However, the one at the left wasn't, and I need to do it manually. Let's select this wall, and the one at the left, because both I need to attach to the roof. Press Ctrl and select this one again. Now go to Attach, and click on the roof to finish this step. Now, all the walls are attached to the roofs, as far as I am aware of. But you can see this small roof is not very effective yet, because I have to join it to the main one. And there is a very simple tool for this. Click on this button, Join and Join Roof. Select the edge you want to attach, and finally select the face of the main roof you would like to join to. There is a little problem here. This part hasn't joined properly, and I will tell you why. Go back to the roof level. Let's use the same tool, but this time to unjoin the roof. Now I select the same edge. Okay, the roof is back in its original position. Now I'm going to double click on it to open the edit mode, and that problem happened because this roof was overlapped with the main roof here in this part. So I'm going to drag this line a bit down. Now that they don't touch, I can accept the changes. Let's repeat the process again. Select the edges, and you can see now it's much better.